This is a very simple question provided that you know a couple of properties of log function. So let me just write the ones which you probably want to use here. So if you have log a, okay, so let's say I have log a, b to the base a. So I can also write this as log a to the base b. You see that the number and the base has been exchanged. The other property is this, that if you have an exponential, okay, so the exponent is a log and that log has the same base as the exponential base. Okay, so suppose I'm writing like that, so they, log and exponential are inverse to each other. Okay, so they nullify each other and you end up in getting a b. That's all. Okay, so if you know these two, you're done. So let's get to the question. They're saying that log 9 to the base 2, and here also I see log 9 to the base 2. The second one is simpler. So what do I do is, since this term is occurring more often, so I will just assume, let's say log 9 to the base 2 is, let's say, some x. Okay, so now let's write what they have then. I'm going to write the same thing. Okay, log 9 to the base 2 is x. So x square, okay, and then you have 1 upon log 2, and you see again x you have. Okay, so I have written already that. Okay, now let's try simplifying this one. So you have 7. Okay, now you see this property. If you have 7 to the power, then you will probably want log to the base 7. Okay, but you see log to the base 4 here. Okay, so I can do the reciprocal. And under root, what I can do with the under root, that's power half, right? Let's for the time being write like that. Okay, and now if I do the reciprocal, you see that I would get log 4 to the base 7. Okay, you see this property. Okay, when you do the reciprocal, they both get exchanged. Okay, now let's come back here. Now you have x. Okay, now these two are multiplication, right? So again, this is base of the exponential, so log also I want x to be here. Okay, so again I use the same property. I say that log 2 to the base x. Okay, what do I do with the square? I do a complete square, because anyways, whenever you have power, they get multiplied to each other. Okay, here also they are getting multiplied to each other. Okay, so square I have taken out. Here also I do the same thing. The half thing I will take outside. Okay, so I will just club these two guys up, and this half I will just pull outside. Okay, I am almost done now, because see, x and this is log x, so using this one, using the second one, I get it is just 2, so I get a 2, and the square outside I just keep it that. Okay, here also 7, and this is log to the base 7, so what do I you end up in getting? Just 4. Okay, 4, and then you have a power half. Okay, done. So you have 4 into 2, and that's 8. That's your answer. Okay, as simple as that. See you with another question soon.